welcome back to my channel. And like I said, I would be posting, but
Sorry.
okay. Oh yeah, I have a special guest again.
Sorry, that was a little sudden. I had to get that out of me.
Taylor.
Hi, guys. My hair is disgusting.
We are doing a collab, so yeah, it's gonna be top 5 or how many we're gonna. I'm only doing 5, but you can do as many as you want. So yeah.
Fixing my hair.
All right. So I did get a new package, but I filmed it. What?
I sprayed it in my ear.
But I filmed the package opening about 20 times, and so I just gave up eventually. And it was of this. This is gonna be my number 1 favorite squishy.
You posted though.
My other
Channel.
Anyways, here it is. It is the, I don't even know, Peanut Butter Jumbo Bakery. What is it called? A crusty bun? Strawberry crusty bun. And top number 1 favorite squishy. Here it is. Here it is. Ooh, it's picking up so well. Time to give it a squish.
It smells really good, but like really bad.
Do 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 do. All right. Okay. Let's just say it's done. And then, yeah! Another squish. And it smells good but bad, yeah. Like she's... like
My hair, I fixed my hair.
Yes, she fixed her hair. Okay, so there's the squishy number 1 favorite. Number 2, and I don't think this is any specific order, so yeah, is an onsen bun. Everyone should have an onsen bun in their collection because they're amazing.
If you're starting, then that's like, you should have a panda bun and an onsen bun. Those are like the go-to squishies.
Yeah, they're so cheap too. That's why they're the go-to squishies. And slow rising, so it'll be like your first slow rising squishy, like mine. There we go. So yeah, it has many defects because this is like my squishy. I squish every.
One of my first squishies.
Yeah, it is my favorite squishy.
It was your first squishy.
What? Yeah, it was. Well, one of my first. Cause yeah. Anyways, I'm making a squish. Ooh, that should be a video squishy tower where you stack them. Cause there is a squishy video about that. Anyways, next I would say panda bun. Just like she said that they're the go-to squishy besides onsen bun. They're both them. They're so squishy. There we go. Now you guys are both in the frame. There.
Collection, by the way.
What?
You don't have your full squishy collection?
No, I don't have it right now. So I just bring 5 squishies. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But 2 are going to count as the same category. And these are also cheap and slow rising. And I got this from Optimus Toys, this from Silly Squishies, and this from Silly Squishies. And I think I know I already mentioned that we're doing a collab, so go check her other video out when it's posted. Next would have to be this turtle spread squishy, or just the regular ones with the regular shell. But I think I like these better.
These ones are more slow rising.
Yeah, just look at that. And here's the head. And I also got this from Silly Squishies. Yeah, they're amazing.
Dog ate mine to death.
Yeah, her dog ate hers. That's
My
kind of...
dog's at the vet right now because he's getting neutered.
Yes. There we go.
Just had to add that little squish and packaging.
I need to put it on top of the squishy tower. Okay, here it is so far. Here it is so far. Alright, let's get going with the last squishies. Are obviously I Bloom squishies.
Wait, last?
What do you mean? They're not like in order.
Oh.
Yeah, they're not in order. I'm just saying that I'm...
There's no first, there's no second.
Yeah, there's no order. It's just all my favorite squishies. Also, there's that one.
Are you going to back to school?
No. Are you?
No.
I just want that poster. Anyways. This one. Well, we could bring money tomorrow. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, I don't have any though. Wait, are you going?
What?
Poor connection. I can't even hear you.
What?
Gucci down to the socks like a Mickey Pop.
Okay. Alright. Oops. So I only have these squishies right now. So yeah, I might not I could do some videos, but they'll just be with the same squishies you're seeing right now.
So comment down below if you want more squishy vids.
Today, because obviously I want to do more because it's so fun to do squishy videos. Oops. Now let's squish the whole squishies. Alright, ready? It's like a cornet. Alright.
It's all.
Olaf. Oh, this top one is Olaf. What? The peach one. Alright.
Squishy coming in the mail, so go subscribe to my channel.
Alright, there you go.
That was not slow rising at all.
Okay. So, go watch her video.
Thank you guys.
So much for watching. Comment down below more video suggestions. And bye guys. See you in the next video.